Hello and welcome to this Fastrac how-to video. Today I'm going to take you through the drive modes in low range. Let's take a look. When operating in low range, the three main drive modes, drive, manual and power shift, are available, as well as additional transmission modes, primarily for field work. These are Flexi mode, Auto Cruise 1 and 2, and Rev Hold. Let's take a look at these in more detail. Flexi mode allows the operator to fix an engine speed with the hand throttle whilst controlling the forward speed with the accelerator pedal. This is different to drive mode as the hand throttle is inactive. To set the maximum transmission ratio, highlight the Flexi mode icon and use the plus and minus buttons on the armrest to select a percentage figure. Pressing down on the accelerator pedal will increase the forward speed, whilst releasing the pedal, the tractor's transmission ratio will automatically reduce, bringing you to a quick stop. Flexi mode is a great mode for tasks such as round baling, using a higher flexi percentage, or attaching implements and trailers with a lower flexi percentage. There are two field cruise speeds, Auto 1 and Auto 2. These cruise modes are designed to set desired maximum forward speed whilst using the minimum amount of engine RPM. The tractor will automatically control the engine speed depending on the field conditions. These cruise speeds are excellent for non-PTO cultivation work, such as ploughing and disking. To set a cruise speed, pre-select either Auto 1 or 2. Set the hand throttle and drive forward to the desired speed. While travelling at this speed, press and hold the green button on the joystick for 3 seconds. This will record the speed. To adjust, use the plus and minus buttons to either increase or decrease the target speed. To disengage cruise, press the green button. This will revert you back to the previous drive mode. To re-engage cruise mode, press the green button once. Rev Hold allows the operator to set both a forward speed and an engine speed, ideal for PTO powered cultivators or seed drills, for example. To set the Rev Hold, pre-select the Rev Hold icon. Move the hand throttle to the desired engine speed and drive forward to the desired forward speed. When you're happy with both, press and hold down the green button on the joystick for 3 seconds. This will record both the forward speed and engine speed. To adjust the forward speed, use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease. In Rev Hold, engine speed is prioritised over forward speed. To disengage cruise, press the green button. This will revert you back to the previous drive mode. Thanks for watching this Fastrac how-to video. Please remember, always refer to your operator's manual for more details. Join us again next time for another Fastrac how-to.